Not everyone who listens wants you to win. Not everyone who asks about your life cares about your journey. Not everyone who laughs with you is happy for you. And not everyone who calls you friend deserves to know your truth. This is why you must learn one powerful lesson in life. Don't share everything, because the more you reveal, the more vulnerable you become. And the more they know, the more they can break you. Welcome. Welcome to this space of silence and understanding. Today, we are not motivating, not complaining, not blaming the world. Today, we are learning protection, self-control, emotional discipline. Because life has taught us something harsh. Kindness needs boundaries, and your life needs privacy. Why you should not share everything. Some people ask questions, not because they care, but because they are curious. Some people act friendly, not because they like you, but because they want information. Some stay close just to study you. They don't clap for your growth, they clap for your downfall. And the moment you slip, they won't hold you, they will talk about you. This is why silence is not weakness, it is strategy. Lesson 1. Your plans are not public. Never tell people what you're building until it's built. Never announce your progress before it becomes real. Never speak too early. Silence protects dreams that are not strong enough to survive opinions. Words are energy. The more you talk, the less power you have to act. Build quietly, like a seed under the soil. No one sees it, no one praises it, but one day it becomes a tree. Lesson 2. Your goals need privacy. Some people don't want you to grow. They want you to stay small so they feel comfortable. They fear your improvement. They fear your confidence. They fear your light. So if you speak your dreams too loudly, they will attack without attacking, through discouragement. You can't do it. It won't work. Why bother? What if you fail? These sentences are not advice. They are cages. Don't step inside. Lesson 3. Your relationships need privacy. Not every smile is honest. Not every embrace is loyal. Some people want to know about your relationship just to enjoy the drama. They don't want peace for you. They want content. Keep your love life private. Your happiness is not entertainment. Two people can build a kingdom if the world doesn't know the address. Lesson 4. Your pain needs safe hands. Pain is sensitive. Pain is fragile. Pain is sacred. But not everyone handles pain. Some weaponize it. Confess to the wrong person and you lose peace. Confess to the right person and you heal. Choose wisely. Lesson 5. Your weakness is not for everyone. Never show your wounds to people who don't care about your healing. Never show your fears to those who will use them. Never show your tears to someone who calls it drama. Protect your softness. Not everyone deserves access to it. When you talk too much. Talking is easy. Understanding is rare. Oversharing is a habit that feels harmless until it destroys you. The person who knows your secrets can become the person who hurts you. The enemy who knows nothing is powerless. Let them guess. Let them assume. Let them misunderstand. Silence will protect you deeper than explanations ever will. A personal story. There was a boy who trusted easily. He believed every smile. He believed every promise. He shared his dreams with friends, his fears with strangers, and his struggles with anyone who asked. He thought openness meant connection. He thought honesty meant safety. But life showed him the truth. His dreams were laughed at. His secrets became gossip. His mistakes became entertainment. He learned the hard way that trust needs filters. Today, he speaks less, he listens more, he thinks deeper. He learned that his silence was not the absence of confidence, but the presence of wisdom. The world doesn't need to know everything. Privacy is power. Mystery is protection. Silence is strategy. Let people wonder what you're doing. Let them stay curious. Let them stay confused. You don't owe the world a full explanation of your life. You owe yourself peace. Be like the moon. The moon shines without saying a word. It appears quietly. It disappears quietly. And still, everyone notices. When you stop talking, they start watching. When you stop explaining, they start assuming. Be silent. Be calm. Be focused. Be hard to read. Let people see only your smile, not your struggle. Let them see your success, not your sleepless nights. Let them see your growth, not the roots of your pain. Be a mystery, not because you are hiding, but because you are protecting yourself. The secret to peace. Peace is not found in talking. Peace is found in privacy, in boundaries, in self-control. The less they know, the safer you are. The less you share, the stronger you stay. Protect your inner world like a treasure, because it is one. Don't share everything, not because you are scared, not because you are selfish, but because your story deserves respect. Your plans deserve protection. Your emotions deserve safety. Your heart deserves peace. Silence is not emptiness. Silence is armor. Learn to speak less and observe more. Listen, think, feel, and then decide who deserves access to you. Thank you for sharing this quiet moment with me. Carry this lesson carefully. Let it guide you. Let it protect you. Until next time, stay private, stay wise, stay unshakable, and goodbye.